Global industry leaders, pioneering waste recycling and revolutionizing natural processing solutions. CDE exists to create our best world through bold engineering. Wet processing is our sole focus. We take on challenges that others can't, with unmatched experience and expertise in the field. Our world-class engineers are the brightest and boldest in the industry, progressive thinkers relentlessly pursuing better. We put people at the center of everything we do. Our collaborative approach, proximity to our customers, and deep understanding of their challenges builds meaningful partnerships and maximizes opportunities. Our track record speaks for itself. We have designed and delivered over 2,000 technologically advanced wet processing solutions through our unique end-to-end approach. From concept and design, through high-quality manufacturing, installation, and commissioning, our dedicated project management approach ensures seamless delivery of our customers' projects on time and on budget. Our custom care team provides 24/7 support, enhancing productivity, maximizing uptime, and boosting profitability. From complex environmental challenges to balancing bottom lines, we embed best practice at every touchpoint in our organization to deliver sustainable solutions for our customers and future generations. We are CDE.